Hey guys, welcome back to Camera Reaction for another reaction video. How you guys doing? So I'm back today guys with another reaction video to CNCO group member Eric. And this is the best dance and vocals. I think the video is what, like 5 minutes to 10 seconds. So I'm curious to see what they may be giving us with Mr. Eric.
Mamá, si te está buscando que te dé un beso en esa boquita. Y ya lo sé. Y desde aquí se te ve. Yo sé que está escuchando mi canción. Yo sé que quieres que te vea todo mi perfume. Lo sé, no hay que decir más. Cuando llego me piden más. Ella me quiere y no me conoce.
Zabia, this is not your video, this is Eric's. Hey. Come on, Eric. Hey. Joel, this is not your video, sir. That was so stiff. Joel, I can't. Yes. Oh, I remember that, the Shosha. State Farm. You can't with Eric. Hey. One thing about this group, I said over and over, it's a full body workout. Okay, better say. Oh, he feeling it in the back. Okay. Eric facial expressions, I can't. Shab goes about to throw their panties on the stage. Oh. That was a dance and vocal video to CNCO member Eric. Thank you so much for the ones who asked me to react to that video. I really do appreciate it. I've said over and over again, this group is very talented. I recommend anyone to go get their CD that just released on February 5th. Deja Vu, they did that. And everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Love you.